Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have created this sort of a bolder festive makeup look for Diwali. If you are someone who likes to wear bolder makeup looks, so this is the one for you. So if you want to know how I created this very beautiful and vibrant looking festive makeup look for this Diwali, then please do keep on watching. To prime my face, I'm going to take the Lakmé Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So this is more of a silicone based primer. So I'm just going to apply that on the main areas of my face and blend it out using my fingertips. Now before I apply my foundation, I'm gonna conceal and color correct in this step. So I'm gonna take the Purplle concealer palette. I'm gonna pick up a shade which is slightly warmer and darker than my skin tone to color correct and conceal my problematic areas. Now to blend this out, I'm gonna take the Drugstore Company Buff Buddy Beauty Blender to blend everything in place. For foundation, I have chosen the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the number 12.5, which is my match from this foundation range. So I'm just gonna dot that on my entire face using the doe foot applicator. And I'm going to pick up my pack buffing brush to blend all of the foundation out. And this foundation has a lot of coverage to it, and it is also very long lasting. So it is perfect for the festive season. Now to highlight, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, which is like a couple of shades lighter than my skin tone, so it's perfect for highlighting. So I'm applying a little bit of the concealer underneath my eyes, on top of the eyelids, and also to clean up on the bottom part of my eyebrows. I'm going to apply the same concealer on the center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. Then I'm going to pick up the same damp beauty blender from the Drugstore Company to blend everything out gently. The LA Girl Concealer is also a fantastic product which works on all skin types, and they have got many shades to match all complexions. Now to set everything, I'm going to take the K-Beauty HD Loose Setting Powder in the shade Olive. So I picked that up on the same beauty blender to bake underneath my eyes. And this is going to prevent any creasing and also to catch any eyeshadow fallout. Now I'm going to pick up the LA Girl Neon Shock eyeshadow palette in Voltage. So first I picked up a warm brown matte eyeshadow from the palette to apply as a transition. Then I'm going to take a deeper matte brown shade from the same palette on a tapered blending brush to really define the crease of my eyes and also on the outer V. Now I'm going to pick up this very beautiful bronzy gold sort of a shimmer eyeshadow. So I took that on my fingertips and just pressed that on the main eyelid portion, and you can see how metallic and foiled this eyeshadow looks. This is a very good eyeshadow palette I found in the recent times. Now I'm going to pick up the same tapered blending brush that I used for the brown eyeshadow to remove any harsh lines. Once that is done, I'm just going to brush off all of the excess powder away. Then I took my Sugar Cosmetics Kohl Kajal in the shade Blackout, which is a deep black kajal. So I'm going to coat my bottom waterline and my bottom lash line thickly using this kajal pencil. I'm also using the same kajal pencil to tight line my eyes. Then I took a pencil brush and dipped that into the matte brown eyeshadow from the LA Girl palette to smoke and smudge out my lower lash line. I think a deep dark black kohl really brings out that Indian ethnic look to any makeup look. Then I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics mini liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Shot, which is like a very vibrant and bright vivid pink shade. So I'm just gonna use that as an eyeliner today using a very thin eyeliner brush, and I'm creating a very bold winged eyeliner on my top lash line. Now to coat my lashes, I'm taking the COLORBAR Zoom In Woosh mascara. So first I'm going to use the thicker wand from the mascara to coat my top eyelashes. And then there is also a thinner wand in the same mascara. So I'm just going to use that to coat my bottom eyelashes. I went off camera and added my pack eyelashes in the style 53. And now to define my eyebrows, I'm going to take a NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. So I'm just going to apply that eyebrow pencil wherever I find any gaps in my eyebrows. Now I'm going to pick up the Freedom Pro Contour Kit in medium, and I'm going to mix up both the shades from the palette and apply that on the hollows of my cheeks using an angled brush. This is a very good contour kit if you have dusky or deeper Indian complexions. I'm also going to bronze up the perimeters of my forehead and also going to chisel out my jawline. Then I'm going to switch over to a smaller blending brush to define the sides of my nose and around my mouth to make my lips look more poutier. For blusher, I'm going to pick up the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Pose Mini Blusher in the shade Mauve Marvel, which is such a beautiful mauvey blusher shade for dusky complexions again. So I'm just going to pop that on the cheek area using a blush brush. And this blush went very well with this makeup look as well. For highlighter, I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Pose Mini Highlighter in the shade Royal Rose, which is actually like a pale pink sort of a highlighter. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones. And I feel this highlighter went really good with this makeup look because everything is really pink themed. So even though the highlighter is a bit more on the paler side, it worked very well. So I also applied that on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow and my chin. I'm using the same highlighter to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to take the COLORBAR Definer lip liner in the shade Pure Vino, which is a very beautiful deep dark burgundy maroon sort of a lip liner. So I'm just going to use that to overdraw my lips because the lipstick that we are going to use is a bit more vibrant and it may look washed out without a lip liner, especially on dusky complexions. You need to apply a dark brown or a dark burgundy lip liner to make any vibrant or a pale lipstick to work. So I'm just going to take the Hot Shot Mini Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick from Sugar and applying that on my entire lips. Now to lock and set everything in place, I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist, and this has tiny little shimmer particles in it, so this is going to add a bit of a glowy, dewy effect onto your face while setting everything in place. So that is the finished makeup look, which is quite striking and bold for the festive season. If you are somebody who likes to wear a lot of bold makeup looks, especially for Diwali, then you can absolutely try it out. And I'm sure there will be a lot of outfits too which has a lot of red and pink tones to them, so you can absolutely wear this if you have those colors in your outfits. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. There will be many more festive makeup looks coming up this week and next week, so stay tuned. And if you enjoyed watching this video, you know what to do. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. And that's about it for today's video. And I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.